right, we're going to do, the front and back is going to be checked. We're going to address the front. There's a little puzzle, or you're going to decode. So this is a mixture of different ones. Just know that if it's an isosceles, we have to see the 45 or 2 legs with the tick mark or 2 angles with the same marking. And then this is our formula for our 30, 60, 90. We have to see a 30 or 60. So on number 1, we should, real simple, see, oops. We have a 45, so 6, and then 6 root 2. Okay, so if you get the answer to the sides, when you go down here, you cross out the answers you got, both of them, both sides. So we cross out 6 root 2, and we cross out the 6. All right, number 2. We're not using those, yeah. So the answers we get, we cross out. And what remains is going to be our answer, the code, or the where we fill in the blanks. So we cross out the correct answer. The remaining letters complete the statement. So on number 2, because there's a 60 here, I know that 10 represents the hypotenuse. This is opposite the 90. So the short leg has to be 5, and the long leg 5 square root of 3. So cross out the 5, EQ, and then we need to find the 5 square root of 3, OF, I think. So we cross those out. All right, number 3, 45, 45, and it's in that form of x squared root of 2, so automatically we know the leg is 3. And we're crossing out both 3's because both legs are the same. So we cross out the 3 on LT and the 3 on HE. All right, number 4. What does the 6 represent? Yeah, that's the short leg. So the hypotenuse would have to be 12, and the long leg would be 6 square root of 3. Okay, so we're crossing out 6 square root of 3, and we're crossing out 12. Here's 6 square root of 3 at OT, and 12 at RE. For number 5, real simple, what should we get? 2 and 2. The legs are 2. So cross out our 2, our PY, and our TH. 2, 2. Number 6. If this is 30, that means the other angle is 60, so that is the long leg, which has the form of x squared root of 3. So that means our x is what? Yep, so short leg is 4, hypotenuse is 8, double it. So we cross out our 4 and 8. There's a 4 at TH and an 8 at OR. Now, what do we have to do on 7? Because the hypotenuse is 6. We've got to get the leg. Take the hypotenuse, if I want to get the leg, just take the hypotenuse, put a square root of 2 over it, and then divide by 2. 6. Yeah, oops, sorry. Yes, it's 3 square root of 2. So they're both 3 square root of 2. Cross out both of them. OT and HA, or UA, excuse me. Cross out both of those 3 square root of 2's. And then on 8, the 9 is the long leg. We got to get back to the short leg. 9 square root of 3 divided by 3. So it ends up being 3 square root of 3. Then the hypotenuse would have to be 6 square root of 3. So anywhere you see a 3 square root of 3, cross it out, and a 6 square root of 3, cross it out. Number 9, we have the hypotenuse, which is 4. We got to go back to the leg. So take that 4, put it with the square root of 2, divided by 2. 2 square root of 2, 2 square root of 2. All right, 10. We should have 3 and 3 root 3. What about 11? Should be straight shot. 5 and 5 root 2. Good. And then the last one. What's the short leg? Yeah, it's 4 squared root of 3. And then the hypotenuse would be 8 squared root of 3. Okay, so we go in order, read across. So this would be H, A, then LF. Then we have T, H, E, then R. No, that's not wrong. 8, sorry. Yeah. Okay. All right, so you are going to be responsible, and I'm going to stamp before you leave. 1 through 9 on the back. I'm checking your answers.